All right, folks, my name is Nestor, and I'm here with two beautiful Chiavari chairs. Well, this is our standard Chiavari chair, and this one looks like a Chiavari chair, but it's a little different. If you notice from the seat down, they're almost identical, with similar patterns. However, the diamond back gives you kind of that classic Chiavari look with a twist. You have this kind of lattice design on the back because of the diamond shape that it creates here, called a diamond back. Well, it still has the same crowns as a typical Chiavari. It has 3 sets of rings compared to Chiavari has 5 sets of rings along the top. Rings on the side with only 3 sets of rings on the 2 columns go all the way down to the feet. You'll notice this comes down a little bit further down than a Chiavari in terms of the back support. And it'll have 3 sets of rings in that bottom versus the 5 that you see here. So if you want a totally authentic classic Chiavari, you're gonna go for this chair on my right. You love the Chiavari, but you wanna be different. You saw it, but you wanna be different than everybody else. You wanna get this diamond back or lattice back Chiavari chair. Folks, we have a wide variety of colors and styles for you and different designs. So the choice is ultimately yours. Get yours today at chivari.com.